Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can customize watermark of your photos in the Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus. So I'll start open the camera app, then go to the settings and tap on the watermark. Now how you can see there we have a few options to edit. You can change the model name, add date and time, change the font of your watermark, or just choose a place for it. And now, if you take a photo, you can see there we have our new watermark, and this is the old one. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment. Goodbye.